Hello everyone. Today, we are back with another new video and will discuss why we believe that Shiba Inu will explode very soon. It is also great news that it is likely that soon after listing on Coinbase Pro, the Shiba Inu token will start trading on the Coinbase platform. It will be possible to purchase a token for ordinary retail buyers there. You will not need to purchase a Pro subscription as it was before. Shiba Inu holders are increasing daily and the coin is getting more hype lately. With the increase in the number of holders, more and more acceptance can be seen for Shiba Inu coin. Everyone knows that Elon Musk is fond of cryptocurrencies and at one time helped more than one crypto soar to the moon. Some say that he manipulates the crypto market for his profit, others trust his moves. He's already contacted Doge's meme project, but how can he help the SHIB token? Is this something that can make Shiba Inu soar huge gains? These questions will be answered in today's video. We will also discuss how Elon Musk helped Shiba Inu to become the most searched crypto ever. There is amazing price pump information we got from the Shiba Inu's developer community, in which the SHIB's lead developer added furl and confirmed about the massive token burn. How many tokens were burnt in last month? How will this help Shiba Inu to boost its price? Will Shiba Inu make millionaires again? So, stick around for that because today's video is full of price impacting updates. Let's raise the Shiba Army hype by hitting the like and subscribe button. Also, we're giving away $500 at the end of the month to our 2 random subscribers to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's dive into the topic. The Shiba Inu coin started its journey in the month of August in 2020. Shiba Inu is a breed of hunting dogs in Japan. Little did it know that it would be a topic of discussion. Even though it is new in the market, it has already taken over the Dogecoin markets. It is said that Shiba has been dubbed the Doge Killer, because as per their white paper it claims to outperform Dogecoin without crossing $1 mark. It is one of the most searched cryptocurrencies reported in the last few months by CoinMarketCap. The Shiba Inu currency is a decentralized spontaneous community building experiment developed within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It has become the cryptocurrency market's flavor of the season as it is attracting a lot of attention and an emerging choice among investors. Even in an evolving market where Bitcoin and Ethereum are on the rise, Shiba Inu is one of those coins that has a lot of use cases and also has been developing very seriously over the past months. One of the main reasons for the Shiba Inu coin to have gained so much pace recently is because of the fear that is being created in the Dogecoin community. As a matter of fact, the tweets by Elon Musk themselves seem to be falling below the line and not really making a difference, as they used to do in the past. This is a good sign for Shiba Inu, as their dream of killing Dogecoin at some point in time may now turn out to be true. The attention that it has been gaining from the people has also ensured that it gets noticed by the other big names in the market. Shiba Inu is going so stable that even a recent massive hack of 260 billion tokens, that we discussed in the previous video, had no impact on the price surge of Shiba Inu. How Shiba Inu can be the next millionaire maker coin? There are multiple reasons that make Shiba Inu coin to be a millionaire maker coin. The first and major reason is the auto burn of Shiba Inu. Is Shiba really getting burned? Recently, Shiba Inu News shared stats via a tweet for the burn that happened in November month. Surprisingly, 1.9 billion SHIB tokens got burnt in November month. A total of 381 transactions took place to burn this massive amount. But why token burn is necessary? The process of removing tokens out of the circulating supply by sending tokens to a dead wallet address is known as the burning process. We all know that Shiba Inu has a massive supply of 500 quadrillion tokens which is reducing daily due to ongoing automatic burn algorithms. If supply reduces, the price will gradually increase. For Shiba Inu, the race continues as it was recently listed on the Kraken crypto exchange. Robinhood, one of the largest trading platforms for its competitor Dogecoin, is still yet to list the meme coin. Will this boost the Shiba Inu price further? Well, yes. Acceptance of a currency in the real world increases the demand for tokens and hence the price. So, we can expect a rise in next coming days. Newegg Director of Brand Marketing, Andrew Choi, said, "We are always looking for ways to innovate the shopping experience on Newegg.com, and something our customers want is greater flexibility and options, including the ability to pay with a wide range of cryptocurrencies." Coming to our next update from Facebook or Meta. Crypto advertising on social media has been a hot topic throughout the year. Recently, Facebook removes its ban of crypto advertisements. Facebook, now rebranded as Meta, is making it easier for crypto platforms to run their advertisements on their social media channels. Earlier, Meta required crypto marketers to submit an application that included any licenses, any public stock listings, and other detailed information. This week's change will allow crypto exchanges and wallets to be qualified to advertise on the platform if they possess just one of a potential 27 regulatory licenses. The announcement came via a blog post on the platform's site to start off December. Will this be the first step into the crypto world for Meta? What do you think about this change? Do share your views in comment section down below. So let's move on to the question why Shiba can rise to 10 cents. As we all understand, Shiba is now significantly underestimated. But this cannot be understood by the entire crypto community at once. We have a wonderful opportunity to tell them, perhaps it is you who, by your actions, will help Shiba fly to the moon. In the aggregate of all the above factors, it can be understood that for the rapid growth of the Shiba coin, a kind of growth catalyst is needed. Personally, it seems to me that it can be a combination of many factors. Listing a coin on the Coinbase platform, any kind of pumping coins associated with Elon Musk or other big wallets, the very rapid development of the project, various kinds of cooperation, the incredible growth of both social and technical components of the project. All of this in aggregate at one moment can show us the full power of the Shiba project. We can say that we are now at the start before flying away, we just need a little light now to start. But of course, everything can happen only with your support and Shiba army. So, it can be easily observed that even with very rough and huge figures of money, SHIB still did not go even above 2 cents. So, the possibility of hitting 1 cent in near future is quite difficult, but to hit $1 is quite impossible for now. The only method SHIB can go and hit 1 cent is by burning a few trillions of tokens. This is what developers are coming in this quarter and looks promising. According to our prediction, Shiba Inu can easily cut 1 zero out of its price with a Robinhood listing and will hit 1,000 Satoshi units easily. As burn process will take time, but it is confirmed that SHIB is going to bounce soon in this quarter. Once this burn executes, the price of Shiba Inu will increase exponentially. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell SHIB for the next 5 years and holding millions of them because they believe the Shiba Inu developers and real-world value of SHIB. How many you guys are holding? Don't forget to list your SHIB holdings in the comment section below. Let's praise the SHIB holder for trusting and believing the process. With this, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Shiba Inu token. And make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video. Before ending this, kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.